guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in the mall, and for this move of the day, we have to have a stable chair. My mom's sitting in it, so it's stable, more stable. At home, if you're at home, get your couch and put your feet under your couch. Then start doing these. And we're gonna try to hit 20. Let's get on to Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Bye.